To our new video. Welcome to our new video, guys. And what I want to do here, I want to show you how to, like, when you try sometimes to install a software, then when we try to install the software, sometimes you find yourself in a problem whereby you're gonna get a message which says like smart app control blocked an app that may be unsafe, or yeah, something like that. So that simply happens when we have a problem with I think Windows, you get me. So Windows can think that the software you're trying to install could have a virus, or it's a threat to its system. So that's why they have that system whereby it's gonna block that. So now we got a way whereby we have to disable that. Then we can come back to do what to 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 install the software. But after installing the software, if you want, you can turn on smart app control. So some people can do this and click here, and maybe you can go to, I would say, maybe settings. You can go to settings, click there. Sometimes when you're here, you can look for privacy and security. Okay, then you can go to Windows security. Okay, you can click there. Then we're looking for browser something, firewall network. Okay, not really. We can go to, let me see, the browser. Okay, well, if you don't see that, that's not a problem. There's a way to also find that. Let me go to Windows Update, System, Security, Description. Okay, that's fine. I wouldn't want to spend a lot of time here. You can go and also type in straight smart app control, smart app control. You can see it comes here. Then what you do, gonna go click on it. Then after clicking on that, you can switch it off or on. So now you can see it's off, on. So it's on, so I'm gonna switch it off. If I switch it off, it's gonna ask me, are you sure? Then I'm gonna say yes, I'm sure. Once you do that, then say okay. It will say to the look on this, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your devices? Device, say yes. After, when you make device, it's impossible. They made it like that. You cannot switch on this. You understand? So once you're done with that, to remove, to bring it back to its life, it's not easy. So, but then after, when you've done that, come here, install your software or whatever app you wanna install. Then after, it will give you a chance to do what, to install. Once you install that, because we switched off smart app control, it won't block you from installing any software you want to install. Then what you're gonna do, if you wanna switch it back, if you want to, I think you can say Ray, you go there. You can see, you type in that, you go there. Once you get that, you can say here, run as administrator, believe so. Once you click, then you say okay. Once you're here, I don't remember well, where do we go? Current user, local machine. I think we can go to, yeah, you can say to local machine, right? When you click there, where do we go then? Let me not forget security. You click on system, right? When you click on system, then you click on current. No, you click on control. After control, you click on CL, After on that, you can click on policy, if I'm not mistaken. Click on policy. Okay, once you click on policy, then you can find verified and reputable what? Policy. When you double click on that, it's gonna put you here. So what you do, you remove 0 and put 1. Once you put 1 and say okay, once you say okay, then it's fine. Then you can close all these. Then let's go to Smart App Control, see if it's done. It's a Smart App Control. When you click here, you can see that it's on again. So if you want to switch it off back, you can just click here. Then you repeat the process if you want to. Well, that was a very big issue for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Also comment if it worked for you. If I was too fast also, I'm sorry about that.